Howdy, folks. We're live at 9:56 p.m. battling for Troy's Afa Stormtrooper. There he is. Chinese COO. 85. He's a nice one. I got 80 spots. But I'm going to copy and take over to random. I think I might have caught an extra period there at the bottom. I'm going to check it out if need be. I'm going to copy the list and take it over to random to find our winners. Yep, we got 81 here. There's an extra period, which I am going to delete, giving us 80 entries, which is the perfect number for a Sunday night battle. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5, which I did. I got a 6, which means it's battle time. Good luck, guys and gals, perhaps. Anthony takes round 1. Strolling through our list. Round 2 sees CJ on top. Anthony again on top in round 3. Dustin 4. Eric in the top spot for our next to last round, round 5. Bringing us to the ever important final round. Good luck, battlers. Here we go. Our winner is Eric Nelson. In at number 56. Congrats, Eric. That's how we're looking. Here's the verification. Let's make it official. In at BTK VNR. Eric Nelson in at number 56 is the champ. There's the rest of our numbers. I'm done. Excuse me. I'm done. I'm done at 9:58. No big whoop. There it is. There it is. One more time. Here's our results. Eric Nelson in at number 56 is the champ. See you next time, guys. Thanks.